So, it's April 1st, and this is my first self-help check, and I can't do that. And so, I'm doing my project on procrastination, and it's going great. Complete honesty, I have not bought the book. I should really get that, and I'm planning on getting it this Friday, so it's okay. I chose procrastination because it's honestly one of the biggest problems I have, as you can see. I think I should have had my book like last week. Don't have it yet. I do a lot of things at the last minute. You know, sometimes I turn them in and bam, got an A, and I'm like, woo, woo, yes. Other times I'll turn something in I did the last night and no, I fail. So, you know what? You win some, you lose some. Maybe I should try to win all of them. That's why I chose procrastination.